na nababakabalin. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Warren Pampanga. For today's vlog, so we were invited by Hotel Halo for their grand opening. Ayun guys, so this is the newest hotel dito po sa Angeles City, and we got our keys for today. Samahan niyo po ako if you want to know more about this place. Another, you know, place for you to chill, hang out, and of course, relax. Let's go! So, notice at my back, so ito yung hall natin for today's event, and we have some seats for some VIPs. Pansin nyo yung theme natin for today. This is actually also their bar area. Pansin nyo guys, oh, di ba? Even the wall natin, cement na dripping. It's actually rustic, industrial, unfinished finish. Notice guys, meron tayong actually Korean Mart dito sa loob ng Hotel Halo. And what items can you expect? Of course, we have some noodles, drinks over there, and then chips. Syempre, pampaalis inip yan habang, you know, naghihintay tayo or we're staying here. So let me see. Oh, also got some sweets for my kids. Bili tayo. Parang chocolate. Hard tapa mga bay. Alright. Alright, so notice guys, we have a pool area dito. And then actually we are staying in this room right here. Yun. Okay, so you can actually go here for a day swim. Minimal fee lang. This can also be used as dining area. And then at the back, meron tayong like 3 cottages. And speaking of day swim, so here's our pool. No, you can actually stay here kasi nga open po sila for day swim. Congratulations to everyone.
Wait, sir.
Sarang po natin, sir.
For Mr. Rafael Angeles. Thank you very much and congratulations to all of us.
Congratulations! Fist bump! Sir Mark, congratulations! Alright! Hold up. Cheers. Congratulations, Hotel Halo. Boom. Congrats. Congratulations, Hotel Halo, for grand opening. And if you want to know more about this, check out the fan page where we're gonna be including like room rates, yes, or retang long stay. Pwede lang mo naman. If you're interested to, you know, chill, you know, night out, yes, makayan, pwede po kayo ni guys, pwede kayo ni. So again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. Congratulations, Hotel Halo.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.